Hey, what's up guys? Today's problem is Pascal triangle. So in this question we have to use a 2D array that sum up the elements from the given index and identify of all the elements in the one index, and again and again we have to push the array in the resultant array as well. So let's make the resultant array vector int, sorry, let's carry the all the array. It is a 2D array where 2D vector where we are pushing all the uh, sub arrays in that. Let's make the Pascal triangle. So for the Pascal triangle, for the logic, it would be int I is equals to 0, int I is equals to 0, and is equal to nums row to I plus plus. Hereby we have to make the for the making the we have to push the sub array. To make the sub array we are making the temp vector having the having the size of I plus 1 to and also we are giving the default value as 1 as well. So like 1 here only, 1 1. Let's imagine we have not have 2, we have 1 only. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So we have all the default value, and what is the size? Like when the I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, we having the index, we have a vector 1. So here we when the index is 1, we have a vector as 1. So initially we have to add up all the elements. Let me push the vector once. No, we will do at the last if there will occur some problem. So vector in temp is I plus 1, and we have done. So we have to make the another group. So add up all the elements again and again, and then push until at last after the this loop. So we are going through the first index, by the first index to the last of the size, temp dot size minus 1. I will clear up what we are doing right away. Yeah. So in this loop, why we are going from the first index? We'll see there is a one value. We have a one value here. We have one value here. Here only also. So we are not changing the first value in the corners. So we are going through the elements at the index just after the first element. That is fun for this array. Let's imagine it is an array 1. Here we got the value 3. Here we got the value 3. So we are iterating this element from the first index to up to which element. We are also not changing at the last position as well. So we are iterating from the I equals to 1 to the num size minus 1 here only. So just like this. Here 4 to 4 here are the three elements we have. This element, and this element. We are not changing the one, and here under the last element that is present, that is 1. So for this value of the temp temp what is the temp? Let's imagine here is a row, here is 0, here is 0, here is 0. Temp row, and what the element we are targeting, where the element we are targeting is the with the what element we are targeting. We are targeting the jth element, because we are want the element j now. So we are targeting this element. So for the targeting this element, now temp j is a matrix. What matrix? We are making the matrix. We are the result. We are getting the element right away. Let's see the here is the index 0 1 and 2. Here is element 0 1 2 3. So here we want the element. Temp j is this element. So how do we got this element? We got this element by the this is index. This index is the I minus one with the same index as given j. And what is the next element? We are adding up this element. We got the 3. We are adding up this element. So I minus 1, and we are iterating this only I minus 1, j minus 1 as well. I minus 1, j minus 1 as well. Yeah. Just after it, what we are doing? Yeah, we have got the element right after it, and at last we are pushing the element in the resultant vector. Result dot pushback. Yeah. Then what we have to do? No, I think there is no issue. We get the value. 1 second. We have one issue also. Let's see if an issue will come or not. Actually, we have not given the value 1 add in any other index. We have 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 1 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 8. Okay, sorry, we have going through the all the elements. We are iterating. We have already given the 1 now, that's why there is no issue. Yeah, done. That's all. Thank you.